I'm Gabby Reece. Get a glimpse into my life as a working mom, a wife, and an athlete. From workouts and makeup to meals and relationships, my friends and I will share our favorite tips and tricks to help you lighten up your summer. I think the summer is a much easier time to eat healthier. By nature, your body is asking for lighter things to eat. I really took advantage of knowing Eric, so I just came to Duke's here in Malibu for just some very easy, user-friendly tips. Hello, Chef Eric, how are you?
Gabby, good, yourself?
Thank you so much. I'm getting ready for summer. I want to lighten it up, and can you give me some tips? I actually enjoy cooking, and I have a husband who eats a lot of food, so I have a lot of inspiration. My favorite thing to cook with as a base is a salad.
People love it. You can pretty much add anything to a salad and make it fun.
We always think, oh, vegetables, 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 but really a salad is kind of a blank canvas.
Yeah, and you can add shrimp to it, you can add fish to it, keep it light, healthy, fresh.
I love the idea of making my own dressings.
You can add whatever you want to that vinaigrette on that salad. It'll take on that flavor. You can put some mango in there, papaya in there, some strawberries in there. It could be a strawberry vinaigrette, mango vinaigrette, papaya vinaigrette.
The other thing I learned living in Hawaii is how to eat what's available in your environment.
Summer is the perfect time to use seasonal veggies.
It's what's readily available, it's what tastes good.
Grilled tuna.
I wouldn't have thought grill the fish and then put it on a sandwich.
You could also opt out some of that beef in your daily diet and you could use some fish. Basically everything can be grilled if you want to grill it. You just got to be creative.
You can really do your whole meal around your barbecue.
If you wanted to toast your bread, you could toast your bread on the barbecue, have a toasted sandwich. You can grill corn on it, you can grill fruit on it, and it helps you get out of the house. It helps your family just go out and enjoy the day.
That's a way for me to get my husband to cook a little bit more, right? Man and fire, right?
So instead of using butter on the fish, you could use some olive oil on the grill to keep it light and healthy.
I am excited and I'm informed. I am really appreciative that you took this time with me. Thanks.
My pleasure.
Boost your skin's vitality with foods that pack glow-inducing properties, including avocados, almonds, and mangoes. Check out glow.com for more summer tips.